Gold participants from around the world. I'm Fleur Bickford, Program Director and MC for Gold Learning. I'm chatting today with Dr. Widarni Rifan about her upcoming presentation for Gold Lactation 2017, titled Lactation Helpline in Indonesia, Is It Needed? So Widarni, welcome. Thank you for being with us today.
Okay, thank you, Fleur. Um,
Well, welcome. We're very happy to have you chatting with us today. So before we start talking about your presentation, maybe you can tell us a little bit about yourself and why this topic is important to you.
okay, this is a very interesting topic for me, the breastfeeding issue, since 2009 when a pediatrician talked to me about how important this issue and about this topic of the lactation helpline since this is new one for my country.
Hmm.
Uh, so yeah, we want to spread it up so everybody know about the lactation helpline. So uh, it maybe in all of our country can make some lactation helpline.
Okay, that's wonderful. So maybe you can tell us a little bit, just a little bit about your research and what have you found most interesting or surprising during your research on the lactation helpline?
Okay, in the first time when we start this research, we thought that maybe only just our patient who contact us, but in the middle of the research, uh, many families and patients not from our hospital call us and asking about how to they consult us about breastfeeding. So
Hmm.
it's not come from our patient only, but uh, maybe another patient from another hospital also call us. So this is wonderful because the lactation helpline is not known by our patient, but
Hmm.
also another people
Other
who
people
want
as
to
well.
breastfeed. Yeah,
So
yes.
that's interesting. So is it something that, like, were you advertising the helpline or was kind of knowledge of it being spread through word of mouth? Like patients at your hospital were telling other people? Is that how they were finding out, or were you
Yes.
advertising the helpline?
Maybe both of them because
Hmm.
when we visit patient, we give some card about our helpline, and then there are a website from our hospital, so maybe they look over it.
Hmm. Oh, that's
Hmm.
great. It sounds like it, that's wonderful that it was spreading outside of your hospital. And obviously there, it sounds like there is a need there if it's, you're reaching other people as well. That's fantastic. And we really look forward to learning more about your research during your presentation.
Okay.
Um, so perhaps you can tell us as we finish up here just a little bit about what do you hope delegates will take away from your presentation? So what do you hope they're going to learn from your presentation and perhaps be able to take back to their own areas and their own practices?
Hmm. I hope that the delegates will spread this issue, since it is helpful for breastfeeding mom. Uh, I think that's it. To spread this issue
Mhm.
to others.
Okay, and that's fantastic. This is one of the things that I really love when comes to gold is learning about what other people are doing in different areas of the world and looking at what's working for them and how can we maybe, set something up that is similar in our own area. So I really love that you're, giving this presentation. And for our delegates who are listening, you'll be able to learn more from Dr. Widarni Rafan during her live presentation on April 25th. So thank you so much, everyone, for listening and have a wonderful day.